Somewhere along the line, we became under the belief that kids will learn and be able to change their behaviors with our words, with our lectures, and the language that we provide to them. But this is truly not accurate. And this is especially not accurate for kids with ADHD, kids and teens with ADHD. That is because at its core, ADHD is a disorder of nonverbal and verbal working memory. So their internal language is very, very disorganized. A hallmark of ADHD is disorganized backpacks and bedrooms and lockers and folders, and that's external. And the external disorganization is because of the internal disorganization. So when we throw language at them, it actually makes them more dysregulated, and it could actually make it more stimulating for them to do the opposite of a verbal directive. For example, you're providing multiple directives to your child in the morning: go brush your teeth, go get dressed, you're going to miss the bus, and it becomes more stimulating to the ADHD child to do the opposite of the verbal directive and create that cat and mouse chase game than to simply follow the directive and do what's asked of you. So language does not have the positive effect on behaviors, on actions, that many of us inherently think it does. The very first thing for parents to remember is that when your child is dysregulated, you have to use little to no language. And that is definitely not the time for a lecture. And this goes for all ages of children, 18 and below. So if your child is dysregulated, language will make dysregulation worse. So you want to keep it short and sweet and stay on message. I see you're upset. I'm here for you if you need me. Please come to me when you're ready. Let your child have the big feelings. Let them express themselves in the ways that they need to. It's not about ending the tantrum. It's about helping them develop self-awareness skills so they can come to you when they are regulated, when they're ready, and when they're able to use their language instead of their behaviors. And how children actually learn is through cause and effect, especially with the ADHD brain that does not understand cause and effect thinking. We have to help them understand it as authoritative parents. So for example, if your child has a full-blown tantrum and they attack their sibling or break something in the house, you then as the parent have to wait until they're regulated and do a cleanup. Have them clean up their mess, have them do something nice for the sibling they attacked, or have them repair and do chores to make up for what they broke. And you can say, we are very concerned with your behaviors. We think it's best that your screens, your iPad, your video games go away for a while.